back to my channel, guys. In today's video, welcome back to another video, another property video here in the Waterfalls area in Lusaka. Have you ever heard of a place known as the Waterfalls area? This is the place where I can't remember doing a video in this place, and today I'll be showing you 4 houses or 4 flats which are also for sale here in the Waterfalls area. Do you intend to buy houses? I've been receiving a lot of requests to get some beautiful houses for sale here in Lusaka, and today your prayer has been answered. So I'm in the Waterfalls Residential Area, going to show you 4 houses or 4 flats up for grabs right now. So make sure, if you are new on my channel, do me a favor, do subscribe, turn on bell notification, give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, let's go and tour the 4 houses coming up. To start with, let's start with the outside of this place. Now, the 4 houses up for grabs, guys, are right here. Take a look. This is the exterior look of the outside. Here is the place, guys. Look what the beautiful trees. Let's walk right inside. I'm going to do my best because these houses, they are occupied, there are people living inside, but I'll try by all means to show you all the details you need to know about this place in the Waterfalls area. Look what they get. They are remote controlled, or you can turn them on to manually close them. Take a look. Everything. Look at these rooms. 1, 2, 3. It's like the store, the guard room, or the caretaker's house. Look what the paving stones, the paving in this place. Ooh, number 1. Look what. So you have this place for the gardens, and of course this is my bike, guys. I don't need to hide the plate number. So this is how the houses look like from the outside. So these are the houses. So there are 2 here, 1, number 2, and then there are also 2 this side. So guys, what I'm going to tell you is that if you are interested in getting these houses, please contact me right now. You can contact me right now. From here, I'm also going to show you the interior a little bit. So take a look at the behind. Maybe I can walk here briefly, the space in between. Let's check it out. Yeah. This is the back of this one, and also the backyard of this one. This one is fairly small, but it's like every house has its own backyard, but generally neat, as you can see. So let me show you also this side. Now it is from this side that I'm going to show you everything. From here I'll be able to show you the it is from this part that I'm going to show the inside right here. So take a look at the continuation of their gardens. The gardens are pretty neat and green. That's the video, guys. So this is what I brought you to see here in the Waterfalls Residential Area. Are there plots for sale? I'm going to find out. Are there houses for rent in this area? Yes. So here you can see all these houses are fully occupied. There are people everywhere. So this is like the part of Lusaka where Lusaka is expanding to as well. So there are people living inside. So I'm also mindful the way I'm talking so that I don't shout too much and disturb their space. I hope you are also appreciating the drone footages that I'm actually showing you. All right, so let's take a sample of the inside of these beautiful flats, these houses here. So let's go right inside. I show you just the interior, how it looks like. Let's go inside, guys. So once again, this is the gate. There we go. The gate, beautiful. Once again, from the left there is one, then there is two. Again, there are two more that side. So very beautiful, very neat. Look at the trees and everything coming up. Look at the garden, greenery, and there's a gentleman here is even maintaining to make sure that the surrounding looks neat. Okay, let's get inside. So I'll just sample for you the outside here in the Waterfalls area. Okay, let's go inside. Look at the entrance, beautiful tiles, everything. So far so good. Ooh, take a look. And now, since we are having a problem with electricity in Zambia, I can see in this house there is backup system. So this is an open end. The kitchen and the living area is like connected. Look at the ceiling. So beautiful. 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 And the granite topping. Yes. Okay. So let's visit bedroom one. I can see the AC here. Okay. I'm sorry guys, there's no power, but that's okay. I'm sure you are able to see everything. So this is the house. Look at the ceiling. It's not just the sitting room area, the bedroom too. The closets are there, stuff like that. This is the first bedroom, and this is exactly how it looks like. Okay, so here is the bathroom, just a quick one, the tub here, and of course the toilet here. Yeah. Let me show you also the outside from here. This was the front. Now let's go right outside. So from the kitchen, look at this open area. Look at the behind, the garden, everything that you need to see. And then here, there's no need to worry about water because there's a water tank here. Look at the finishing from the outside. Everything really neat. Okay, beautiful. So once again, this place is located in the Waterfalls area. Okay, let's check out another bedroom. Is this the master bedroom? Yes, sir. Okay. All right, guys, now let's go into the master bedroom. Once again, I told you there's no power, but I'm doing my best to make sure that okay. Really? Okay. All right. Master bedroom, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at the beautiful ceiling one more time. The downlights, the main light. This is what master bedroom looks like among the 4 houses or flats I would go in this place. Beautiful closet, everything double, and then there's a bathroom area here. Yeah, look at the shower, details, everything. Let me try to switch on the light. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. Okay guys, I'm not going to open anything just for now. Look at AC as usual, everything that you need to know. Yes guys, so at least 3 bedrooms. So these houses are 3 bedroom flats each. Okay, we are going to exit from this side. Let's go. Some lines here, of course you can hang your clothes and everything. Once again, the aircon here. Let's see. This is the side or the backyard. Beautiful place, I must say. Green everywhere. The place is well maintained. Waterfalls area has a lot of farm-like plots. Yeah, this place is like full of farms, and many people have subdivided them into residential areas.